So if you've watched the other two videos on fixed forms, you'll know how these things work and everything now. What I want to show you in this video is how you actually save these. So if you've got a USB stick on your control, or you've got a memory card, you can actually save these and read them back in. So if we go across here, you'll see this button that says setting, and then you press select, and this will come up with all your fixed forms. So all you need to do is just click on that output button there, and it'll come up with fixed form DAT. Now you can either give that a new name or just save it as that, or you can just write something in there if you want to. You can just write GJK or whatever it is, I don't know, call it that, and then output. That saves that, and then likewise you can read it back in, but we'll overwrite what you've got there, so it'll overwrite everything that you've got, and then you just come down to that form and just say input, and then it's saying, are you sure current is overwritten by input? You just say yeah, and then that'll just close that, and that's rewritten then back in. So that's how you save it, and that's how you read it back in, and that will be on your memory stick, and you can move it to another machine then if you want to.